So starting the test drive in this Hummer EV 2X pickup, definitely not as quick as the 3X or the launch edition, but still plenty of power in this thing for it to be so massive. Now with the 2X, you don't get as many, I guess, performance features like the watts to freedom and things of that nature, but that's one of the reasons the 2022 first editions and then the 3Xs bring a bit more money than the 2X, because there is a noticeable difference. But if you've never been in a 3X, you'll be more than happy with what you get with the 2X. Here we go. So it gets up to speed very quickly. Again, it doesn't feel as fast because it's a more linear power curve, I think. But I mean, it'll smoke most of what's on the road in terms of doing acceleration pulls. I have the lane centering on, but I want to give a huge thanks to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this truck today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. Now, because of the feedback that you get with how this is set up, I'm not sure you can turn the sounds off. I didn't even think of doing that, but it really allows for the road noise not to be an issue, I think. And that's one of the cool things about this in particular, is it's just so plush in that sense. It floats down the road with this air suspension, and even though this truck is huge, it really doesn't show its mass like it would to a comparable 25 or 3500 truck. So as big as it is, it's off-road capable, but it doesn't feel like a typical off-road vehicle. And me particularly, that's one of the things that I think makes it that much of a game changer. Now for this to be 99,000 and some change, especially with sales tax here in Tennessee, you're $108,000, $110,000 here. But these are still very, very nice trucks. I really just like all that is included here in terms of the off-road capability. You know, it's still one of those trucks that's almost got like an exotic feel to it, because there aren't that many that are out there, and they really are super trucks in that sense. But this is just it's fun to drive. It's not as overwhelming as the size makes it appear. Relatively easy to drive just on typical roads, and then where it is wider, if you have to park it, you have that self-park assist, which is great. You get heated, cooled seats, 12-way seats up front, and then especially when it's nice out, 80 degrees, perfectly sunny, you take these tops off, and I just think it gives you a better experience than even a Jeep. But overall, what makes this really work for me is you have almost 300 miles of range. If you want to go up to the biggest battery pack, 3X, all of that, you get 300 plus there. And it's relatively capable, not only in the off-road sense, but being able to hook this up to your house. If you lose power, you can run it that way. If you're out camping, you can either charge your power banks and or use this as a power bank with, you know, the battery capacity that you have here, close to 200 kilowatt hours. I just think it's one of those trucks that does it all, and it's expensive, but if you use it the way it was intended, I feel like you'll be able to get your money's worth, if that makes sense. Especially for how much people were paying for these when they were gas powered, and every time they're in the shop, you're paying $3 grand here, $5 grand here. These, and you know, they have a lot more moving parts than, let's say, a Mach-E or something, but other than the cool stuff like the suspension and all of that, you have 2 electric motors, direct drive transmission. relatively affordable compared to replacing some of the stuff in your gas powered vehicle, specifically with how much shops are charging these days. So all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2026 GMC Hummer EV pickup truck, and this one is a 2X.